Hey guys, what is up? I hope you guys are all having a great time. Today we're going to be reviewing a very special product that is the entire Rubik's Cube reimagined. So, this is the GoCube. So, the GoCube is made by Particular, as you can see. And from the front cover, you can see that it looks like any average Rubik's Cube. But wait till you get on the inside. So first, from this box, you can see that this is the classic cube reimagined. So as you can see on this phone, that it can actually track your movements, it can set your time, and it has many other cool features that we'll be reviewing in this video. So this is equipped with powerful embedded sensors and technology, and the GoCube enables a lot of fun and educational playing experiences. So let's get unboxing. So as you can see, this is a very nice box here. Be opening this. Okay, so we got that removed. Now this is a very nice opening box, and I actually prefer these kind of boxes. As you can see, this is the box open. So this has a very nice display so that you can just sit here and see. If you can see from this side, it's actually just like you're opening a book. First of all, this is the GoCube, and it says thank you, we love your GoCube. This is the actual GoCube itself. So as you can see, and this lives up to its name. It's play, learn, and improve, and even compete. You can compete with not only other players, but you can compete with robots. You can set your times, you can set your records with this GoCube. So first here is the thank you, as you can see. Next, inside we have goodies, and these goodies are actually just chargers. So this is just a USB cable which can be attached to the back of this GoCube. Let's put that aside for now. Let's take out our main object. We can remove the GoCube. So let's put this nice box aside. Okay, so this is the GoCube. It's in packaging, which I'll be removing. So we got the packaging removed. First off, as you can see from this cube, it's very smooth. It doesn't have any sharp edges. Also, the colors are very bright and vibrant. And as you can see, like from the outside, there's actually like LEDs. And if I turn it a bit, in the inside, you can even see that it's like glass, and it can like shine and glow. And this is actually where the charging cable goes. You can attach the charger here and then plug it to the power output. Let's start turning it. So as you can see, when I turn this cube, I can literally feel like the magnet pulling it towards the next side. Like if I can just move it halfway, I can already start moving this piece without completing this rotation fully, like I would do on an average Rubik's Cube. So even with all these sensors and with all these tweaks and other things in this cube still makes up for an extremely fast cuber. And when I try to move this cube, just me slowing and moving it makes it feel like it's so fast. Like when I go fast, even I can sometimes not keep up with it. When I try to do one rotation as I would on a regular cube, it actually turns twice because of how fast it is. So this is a very fast cube, and I would recommend. So this cube actually works with an app. In the app, there are many features that it has, including solving the cube itself, and you can also race with bots and other online players. You can set your best times and even play games with this. So we'll be reviewing all that in the next video. Thanks for watching.